bet. That moved great.
I felt good.
Yeah. All right. Right there, Alex. Relax those shoulders. Good. Breath in and out right there. Good. All the way out there, Alex. Good. Great. I bet.
That was it.
One more. You ready? Right then. Good. Chin up. Look at that wall in front of you. Hair all the way out. Good. There we go. In general, the knee been doing better though?
Yeah, it has been.
Good. Especially right there,
That
right?
spot really hurt.
You ready? We got one more right there.
Okay.
It's gonna be a little tender. I know. No fun, right?
Yeah.
Good. You are all set now, Alex.